Hey there, folks. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down tech and banking essentials to make your life easier. Today, we're diving into something super practical: how to activate your Security Bank ATM or debit card online in 2025. With the latest updates, this process is quicker and more secure than ever, helping you avoid long lines at the bank. Whether you're a new customer or just received a replacement card, this step-by-step guide will get you sorted in under 5 minutes. First things first, make sure you have the Security Bank mobile app installed on your smartphone. If you don't have it yet, head to your App Store. It's available for both iOS and Android, and download it for free. Once that's done, open the app and log in with your existing username and password. If you're a new user, you'll need to create an account using your registered mobile number and email. Next up, navigate to the Cards section in the app's main menu. Look for the option that says Activate Card or something similar. Security Bank has made this really intuitive. Now, enter your card details. That's your 16-digit card number, the expiry date, and the CVV code found on the back. Don't worry, the app uses top-notch encryption to keep your info safe. After that, you'll be prompted to verify your identity. In 2025, this might involve a one-time password, OTP, sent to your registered phone, or even a biometric scan like your fingerprint or Face ID for added security. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete this step. It's quick and ensures only you can activate your card. Finally, review the details and hit the Confirm button. You'll get a success message, and your card will be ready to use for online shopping, ATM withdrawals, and more. And just like that, you're all set. There you have it. Activating your Security Bank card online is straightforward and hassle-free. If you run into any issues, check the app's help section or contact customer support. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more 2025 tech tips, and hit that bell icon. See you in the next one.